Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Will from Fine & Country in Bideford. Today we're on an exceptional new listing of Laburnham House here on the outskirts of Bideford in Landcross. But while we're here, come on Josh, let's have a little look around.
Come on in. Once inside Laburnham House, we have a beautifully spacious layout down here on the ground floor. We have a total of 5 reception rooms, including a modern fitted kitchen, but we also have this generous lounge here that was actually extended back in early 2022. And as you can see, triple aspect overlooking the front of the property, but also overlooking the rear courtyard part of the garden as well. But enough of the ground floor, let's take a look upstairs where we do have a very spacious master bedroom to show you. Once upstairs of Laburnham House, you do have 3 bedrooms, 2 of which enjoy their own ensuite, with a main family bathroom that does feature a freestanding roll-top bath. In the master bedroom that I am in here now, it does have the additional feature of an exposed brick wall and enjoying a beautiful stained glass window that overlooks the central landing of the property also.
With the Tarka Trail just behind me and a close drive to the local town and amenities, with this garden on your doorstep, what's not to like? Please give Fine & Country Bideford a call on 01237 426 018.